I am Varun Kumar, and now we are going to discuss square root of class 8. A square root of a given number is that number whose square is the given number. See example, 4 into 4 equals to 16. Hence, positive square root of root under 16 is 4. That is equals to root under 16 equals to 4. Thus, a square root of a given number a is the number b such that b into b, that is b square equals to a. Hence, b is the square root of a. Then a is the square of b. Positive square root of a number is denoted by symbol. Here given of a symbol is of what? Symbol is of a square root. Example, 15 into 15 equals to 225. Hence, positive square root of 225 is 15. That is equals to root under 225 equals to 15. Perfect square number. A number is said to be a perfect square if its square root is an integer. For example, 9 is a perfect square as its square root is 3, which is an integer. See here some important information regarding a square root. Suppose that 2 squared equals to 4, then minus 2 squared is also equals to 4. Hence, there are two integral square roots of a perfect square number. Here, we will take up only positive square root of a natural number. Negative square root of 16 is denoted by minus root under 16. That is, minus root under 16 equals to minus 4. See here a table is of a square. 1 square equals to 1, 2 square equals to 4. Similarly, 10 square equals to 100, 11 square equals to 121. Similarly, 100 square equals to 10,000, 101 square equals to 100, 10,201. From the table given above, it is clear that a square root of a number of 1 or 2 digit is a number of 1 digit. Again, see another. A square root of a number 3 or 4 digit is a number of 2 digit. And a square root of a number of 5 or 6 digit number of a 3 digit. See here, I have discussed. First is related to first table 1. If 1 square equals to 1, 9 square equals to 81. Hence, always when a number is squared, a 1 digit number is squared, then we see that the square is lies between 2 digit number only. If we are going to square a 2 digit number from 10 to 99, we see that the square of that digit is 3 digit number or 3 digit number to 4 digit number. And third, when we are going to square a 3 digit number, we see that the square of 3 digit number is minimum 5 digit number from maximum 6 digit number. Hence, if the number of digit n in the given number is even, then the number of digit in its square root is n by 2. Second result is, if the number of digit n in the given number be odd, then the number of digit in the square root of the given number is n plus 1 by 2. Some facts about square roots. See here, 4 into 4 equals to 16 and minus 4 into minus 4 is also equals to 16. Hence, square of both 4 and minus 4 is 16. Therefore, by definition of square roots of 16 are 4 and minus 4. Thus, there are two square roots of positive number, out of which one is positive number and other is negative number. But here we will find only that a square root which is positive. Symbol root under 16 denote the positive square root of root under 16. A square root of a product of two or more positive number is equal to the product of their square roots. Number of digits in the square root of a number of n digit, then answer is n by 2 if it is even, n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd number. A square root of even perfect number is even number. Example, root under 4 equals to 2, root under 16 equals to 4, root under 36 equal to 6, root under 64 equal to 8. A square root of an odd perfect number is an always odd number. See here example, root under 9 equals to 3, root under 25 equals to 5, root under 49 equals to 7. We observe that when we are going to square root the even number, if the number of zeros at the end of perfect square number is even, then a square root of that number is an integer. Example, root under 900 is equals to 30, root under 2500 is equals to 50, root under 1,60,000 equals to 400, etc. Property of a square root. If we are going to get the result of root under a, b, c, d, it is always equals to root under a into root under b into root under c into root under d.